Welcome to today's video, where I will show you how to protect your privacy on the Orbitz app by stopping it from selling or sharing your personal data. Many users are unaware that apps may share their information for advertising or marketing purposes. But thankfully, Orbitz allows you to control this directly through the app setting. First, open the Orbitz app on your smartphone. Next, tap on the account icon located at the bottom right. Next, scroll down through your account settings until you find the Legal Information section. Finally, tap on Do Not Sell My Personal Information. Once inside, you will see a checkbox option. Select the checkbox that says Do Not Sell or Share My Personal Information. This confirms that Orbitz will not use your personal data for sales or third-party advertising purposes. By following these simple steps, you can take control of your privacy and limit how your personal data is shared. This ensures your privacy is better protected whenever you use the app.